So I would like to tell y'all about how to turn $1,000 into $1 million. If you could, click that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Look, I think that this can be a very, very awesome journey. But you gotta take your time and you gotta understand there's levels to doing what you wanna do to achieve that goal of turning that 1,000 into 1 million. So we start by 1. What income do you have? Earned income. I know everybody got it. So even if, it doesn't matter where you're starting. You can be a fast food worker. You can be working at a corporate job. You have some kind of earned income. And you should consider what you're spending on that earned income. So instead of maybe taking that money and, instead of maybe buying that extra meal, maybe go to the grocery store. And the money that you save from cooking, you can now use that to put to that 1,000. Because that's the first goal. Remember, the first goal is we need to finish that step. We need to get you to 1,000. Now, once we've started to accumulate those extra bucks, now we have our $1,000. And from that earned income, you're like, I don't know if this one source of income is gonna be enough. And look, I'm with you. I personally believe you need multiple streams of income. It is said that on average, millionaires have at least 7 streams. So we should strive likely to do the same. Maybe, it just depends on your income goals. However, I do highly recommend a second income goal. This may sound familiar to you. Most people will call it passive. So you have passive income stream. Now, this could look different in a lot of ways. You can invest in real estate. And if you invest in real estate, it's definitely going to be some work on the front end. But you'll end up in the long run, making it really passive, and you'll step back and be letting that money collect. Or like online selling. There's some online selling websites that offer you the opportunity to pay and then you just are more hands-off. You can do that. That's absolutely feasible. It all depends on what you want to do. You also have this thing called active income. And active income is what some of us might already do, like DoorDash, Uber, online selling. Some things just can be more active than others. Airbnb. It's a lot of things we can do, and those are 2 more streams of income. And let's say, so now you have earned income, you have a passive income, and you have an active income. So of course, the earned income and the active income can kind of roll into each other. But the earned is more like your 9 to 5, while your active income is more like a side hustle or deal. We should then look into where we should put that money. And this is where it gets serious. It gets really serious. Because we should put our money investment tool. So me, when it comes to the stock market, I love the app Robinhood. And to me, it's very user-friendly. But I will admit that there are a lot of platforms out there, a lot of brokerages that you can use. A lot of other brokerages. I personally enjoy Robinhood, so I like to point that one out. Also, that's as far as the stock market goes. On the other side, I do some real estate investing. And with real estate investing, I would like to point out an app that I love, which is Fundrise. Fundrise is basically a hands-off approach to real estate. And it's a crowdfunding platform. I definitely recommend that you check both of those out, Robinhood and Fundrise. I'll leave a link at the bottom, and maybe you decide to go with those. I would also like to point out with the incomes that what we want to do is cash flow. That's the biggest point, is cash flow. All these incomes, do not get into the trap or run into, hey, I got this money now and now I can spend it, and you thinking about it short term. Think about this for the long term. When you think about investing, think about it for the 10, 20, 30 years down the road. And I mean, this is something I believe that can be great for you. So I would like to thank y'all. If you want any more information, please let me know. I'm here for you, always. So, this is Time Financial. Check it out.